Hi. Have you played any of these games before? These games are played in 196 countries across 409 million monthly active users. It's a 40-year-old company, and the company name is Activision Blizzard. The stock code is ATVI, and the company is based out of Santa Monica in California. It's listed on NASDAQ with inception in 1979. It's the world's most successful standalone interactive entertainment company which develops and distributes video game consoles and content across personal computers and mobile. They also operate esports leagues and offer digital advertising. In 2019, they had 150 million mobile downloads for only one game called Call of Duty. Their main clients include Apple, Google, Sony, and also Microsoft and NetEase. In terms of products, they sell their products across three companies. Activision Publishing sells Call of Duty and Call of Duty League. Call of Duty League is a global professional esports league. Then Blizzard Entertainment sells World of Warcraft, Diablo, and Hearthstone. And they also operate Overwatch League, which is the first major global professional esports league with city-based teams. Third company is King Digital Entertainment, which sells Candy Crush and related products. Fourth is Activision Blizzard Distribution, which has operations in Europe that provide warehousing, logistics, and sales distribution for software and related hardware. In terms of range, they offer full games, also offer downloadable content which provides players with add-on content by purchases and microtransactions which typically provide relatively small enhancements to gameplay. They also offer subscriptions for players and 24-hour game supports online and via telephone. They also operate Blizzard Battle.net, which offers online players communication features, social networking, and player matching and digital content delivery. It's one of the world's largest game services in the world. For revenue, 2019 was 6.5 billion US dollars with 1.5 billion net income. For reference, 2015 was 4.6 billion revenue with 892 million net income. Call of Duty, Candy Crush, and World of Warcraft are their top games, which collectively account for 67% of their net revenue, and their international sales accounted for approximately 54%, which is outside US, top countries being Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, France, etc. Their current P in 2020 is 27 with a market cap of 60 billion with 9.2 thousand employees. Their current CEO is Mr. Bobby Kotick, who has been with the company since 1991, and their key competitors include Microsoft, Sony, and Nintendo. I hope you like the video. Do comment if you'd like me to cover any more stocks for you. Thank you so much.